Hello, and welcome to another video of bullish candlestick signals and chart patterns from Bull Stock Info. Today's video looks at some of the stocks featured on Bull Stock Info that look promising for trade for Friday, May the 8th. For the complete list of chart patterns, visit our website, www.bullstock.info. The first chart we're going to take a look at tonight is the Morningstar signal, the Morningstar candlestick pattern, which is a three candlestick pattern that signals a major bottom. So we're going to be taking a look at a Morningstar chart, PRGO. Okay, our chart pattern that we're going to be taking a look at here, if I can get my screen capture in the right place, is PRGO. PRGO. It's the Morningstar pattern. We'll come over here and take a look at the price action. As you can see, the Morningstar signal is a Morningstar pattern is a three candlestick chart pattern, if you will. 2 days ago, we had a bearish candle followed by a down day yesterday. Notice, however, yesterday touched on support of the 20-day moving average. Today, the Morningstar pattern completed with the gap open and a higher open up $1.74. Look to fill the gap here. You'll notice that gap right there at the end of January, 1st of February. As we can go back over here, that gap is at the 29.18 mark, it looks like, 29.18 mark. So the Morningstar pattern should be able to pick up $2 or $3 profit on this Morningstar pattern as we take profit at the 200-day moving average. Alrighty, next up tonight, we're going to take a look at the bullish Harami chart pattern, the bullish Harami. Also heard people pronounce it Harami. Maybe it's my accent. I call it the bullish Harami. It's a small white body that's within a relatively bigger bearish candlestick. And the Harami shows disparity, if you will, between the bulls and the bears, and signals a possible trend reversal as bearish power is diminishing. So bullish Harami candlestick pattern. We'll take a look at two of those tonight, VRX and BVF. Okay, here we go. Taking a look at the first of our bullish Harami patterns. Going to take a look at VRX. VRX. Don't normally do drug stocks. Try to stay away from the drugs, but a good looking Harami pattern here. Here we can see back in February, late February, the big fall, but from the 22.85 level, if you will, all the way down to 16.24. Little move up, big consolidation. Moved down 3 or 4 days ago, and we have a gap up 3 days ago to the 200. Bearish day yesterday, and then today we have our Harami pattern today. Take a look at the stochastics. They are moving up. Still should have enough juice in them left, though. What I like about this chart pattern is the Harami. It's 3 days almost. Closing almost identically. We're right there at the 200. Harami is a good signal. Touched off the 8 exponential moving average today with the low of the day almost. Do want to see an open above the 200 on this. Open above the 200-day moving average for VRX on the bullish Harami pattern. And we're going to do another drug stock, if you will. Again, don't really like them, but looks like a good chart pattern here. BVF. I'll come over here, take a look at the price action, if you will. Big move down yesterday. We had a Harami pattern today, opening right on the support at the 200 moving average. You can see stochastics are right in the middle and have enough juice to head back up. What I do like about this one, the Harami, is we have a potential for the what's called the dead cat bounce. You have the big move down yesterday, so it's natural to have a 1 to 3 day spike back up in price. So could take a look at profit target at our 20 and our 50-day moving averages right there at about the $11 area. So 1 or 2 day trade here possibly for BVF to the upside. And those that you have been watching our videos, you know about the 3 outside up candlestick chart pattern. The 3 outside up essentially is confirmation of a previous day's bullish engulfing pattern. And I really do like the 3 outside up. And in fact, if you will take a look at yesterday's video, you'll notice that we mentioned one of our 3 outside ups tonight was a bullish engulfing yesterday. And here we are with that bullish engulfing from yesterday, which is a 3 outside up today. It's MANT, M-A-N-T, M-A-N-T. You'll notice yesterday's engulfing. Today a nice gap up, completion of the 3 outside up pattern right up to the 8 EMA. Your 20 moving day average, which is the gray line coming down at about the $39 area. That would be a good first target area, which would be just under that big consolidation area line of resistance there, if you will. So stochastics, plenty of room to move on up, and MANT, like it again today, like we did yesterday. And our next 3 outside up, if we can get over here just a little bit more so you can see the whole name of the chart. There we go. YSI, you store it. YSI. Moving back over, come down a little bit, we can see the price action, and we'll come down a little bit so you can see the stochastics. And stochastics do have room to move. They are curling up. Go back up here, and what we like about YSI, again, the 3 outside up, confirming the bullish engulfing yesterday that was right on the support of the rising 20-day moving average, especially if you can get an open tomorrow above the close and high of today, and that congestion high right there, I feel 10 cents or so higher than today's close. Good room to run up to about the 376 to 425 range. So good quick profit potential for YSI on the 3 outside up pattern. And our final 3 outside up and our final pattern for the night is NRF. NRF. Again, you can see the confirmation of yesterday's bullish engulfing, which was right on support of the 8 exponential EMA. That's the exponential moving average. That's the dotted line. Your 20-day moving average is the gray line just underneath it. Your 50-day moving average is curling up. Stochastics, while nearing the overbought area, what I like about this one is you'll notice from March, your big move up, then around the 1st of April, 2nd, 3rd day of April, little drop down, but pretty much consolidation, sideways moving trend for a couple of weeks. And then we have the engulfing and the breakout on the 3 outside up today. Like that, good move up to your your 200-day moving average. Good looking chart, NRF. And that is going to do it for us tonight. There we go. Finally get our extra slide like we like it. Anyway, that's going to do it for our video for today. Looking ahead for activity for Friday, May the 8th. We thank you for watching our bullish candlestick chart pattern video. Compliments of bullstock.info. For a complete list of free bullish candlestick chart patterns, visit www.bullstock.info each and every trading day. Thanks again for watching.